Hi. Welcome once again. The name still remain Gbope Tech TV. Today we are going to learn a newly way of how to make money online with just our phone and MTN mobile money account. If today is your first time being in this channel, I will highly welcome you to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to also turn on the notification bell and put it on all, so that any time that a video like this has been posted, you will be the first person to be notified by YouTube that Gbope Tech has released a new video. Also, I recommend you to give this video a like for it to reach more audience, and also put your comment at the comment section of how you want us to make videos for you. For us not to waste time, let us dive into what we have for today. I discover a legit way you can make money with your phone without a stress out, because you will be sleeping while your money are still doubling. So this money source that I'm talking about is a money doubling platform that will allow you to invest and be cashing out every single day. So to not make this video long, let's dive into my phone screen.
If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you Gbope Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as Gbope Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced
That will help you to earn some focus on it. Now, this platform, check in the description. There is a link in the description. Just use it and get to the interface like this. And you get to a place where they will say register. Put in your number, put in your password, and the referral link will automatically be generated there. So you log in into it, and it will be successful. When you log in, here is the interface. That is how this look like. Now, this is an AI platform that is generating the help of trading with a particular items. So you've seen them. We have the earpods, you have the other earpods, you have the headset, you have speakers and a lot of things. Simply because you are going to be a partner among them and you are going to be generating a commission out from that. So for first time registration, they'll give you a bonus of 20 Ghana cedis for you to recharge and add to the account, and then you start investing into that. Then when you finish, when you check down here, we have home, we have earning, we have share, and we have mine. The mine is referring to your details. So when you type on the mine like this, it will bring you to, we have balance details, we have recharge record, withdrawal record, we have modified bank information, download about us. So anything about these people you want to know, when you type on about us, they'll bring their point, then you read. A journey of engineering excellence at JBL. So that's the abbreviation name of this, a journey of engineering excellence, and they will give you a call that you are going to follow, which you'll be able to do this. So they say at JBL, audio technology is at the core of everything we do. For over 75 years, we have employed the best methodologies and tools to establish at the very beginning by our founder, James B. Lassen. We developed, so if this is your first time, I have ever read this prompt before following them. Then you read to the down, and if you know you are convinced by whatever they are giving you, then you will go by it. This video is just for educational purpose. I am not financial disclaimer, and I'm not telling you to do anything. If you know you find it by your own comfort by investing into it, you can do so. So to be able to recharge, let me show you. So when you go to mine, we have recharge here. So you type on recharge, and to send it to the record ground, then you know have it. Then you come back. On top, we have recharge here, and we have a drawer here. So we tap on that one. We have your balance is already 20 Ghana cedis. We have 60 cedis, 150, 300, 600. We have 1,000, 1,600. We have 2,000, 3,500. Any amount you want to recharge, beginning from 60 Ghana cedis. So you type on it. Let's say I want to deposit 60 Ghana cedis. You type on it, and then the 60 Ghana cedis will be on over there. Then you press on recharge now. It will load and bring the prompt and ask you to enter your mobile money number or any of the accounts you want to use. Please use Momo Pay or Voda Cash to pay this. So you type in the number, you just I know continue, you reply and enter everything. And the approval will come, then you approve with the more money thing. Automatically within seconds the money will be deposited in your account. Then you come down here, you go to the place where they say earnings. Then when you type on that earning, it will send you to the record of your earning. But you go to home. Now the home you see the pillars of which you are going to invest in. You have the first one, which is 60 Ghana cedis. So with this 60 Ghana cedis, let's say if you deposit 60, your money is going to be 60 plus 20 will be 90 cedis. So if you invest 60 cedis, you'll be left with 20 cedis there. And every day you earn 10 cedis as a commission. So daily income that will come is 10 cedis. So in of that, you can withdraw your 30 cedis of that day. Then the second one is 150 cedis, and every day you earn 30 cedis from it. So that's we have 300, we have 600, we have 1,000, 1,006, 2,000, 3,000, any amount you want to invest up to 5,000. Yes, this is what this platform is about. And if you know this is helpful and it finds interest in you, then don't forget to join this family. And always you be remembered the search platform. Thank you.